नमस्कार दोस्तों, बैंकिंग अफेयर्स में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। इस वीडियो में हम जून 4th वीक की करंट अफेयर्स की चर्चा करेंगे। ओके, तो चलिए अपने वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। ये रहा हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन। विच बैंक लॉन्च्ड पे योर कॉन्टैक्ट पेमेंट फीचर? सो पे योर कॉन्टैक्ट पेमेंट फीचर लॉन्च बाई कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक। ओके, कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक। नेक्स्ट, which bank launched the Arogyam Healthcare Business Loan to support healthcare sector? This is launched for doctors and medical hospitals. Okay, so this is launched by State Bank of India. State Bank of India. Headquarter of State Bank of India is in Mumbai. Okay, and chairman या CMD of State Bank of India is Dinesh Kumar Khara. Dinesh Khara. Okay. Next, name the subsonic cruise missile which recently fired by DRDO from an integrated test range at Chandipur, Odisha. Okay, so the missile name is Nirbhay. Nirbhay. Okay. Next, which country will host 9th Asian Ministerial Energy Roundtable meeting? So this is hosted by India. Okay, India. Which country with Indian Navy has conducted a passage exercise in Indian Ocean region? So passage exercise is India and USA naval exercise between India and USA. Okay. Next, S&P has projected India's GDP growth forecast for financial year 22. So according to S&P, India's financial year 22 GDP growth is 9.5%. 9.5%. Next, India with which organization has signed $32 million loan for improving healthcare service in Mizoram? So this is approved by World Bank. Okay, World Bank. Headquarter of World Bank is in Washington DC. Okay, and head of World Bank is David Malpass. David Malpass. Next, which state announced new scheme Ashirwad for education, health and maintenance of COVID orphans? So this is launched by Odisha. Odisha. Okay. Next, which Maharatna has won the India's best employee among Nation Builders 21? So these are companies under Maharatna and Navratna company made by Government of India. So this is NTPC. NTPC is Maharatna company who won best employee among Nation Building 21. Which state named Raghuram Rajan as part of a 5-member Economic Advisory Council for the state? So this is done by Tamil Nadu. Okay, Tamil Nadu. Next, where is world's first ever genetically modified rubber plant planted? So this is modified rubber plant by Assam. Okay, Assam. Agriculture Diversification Scheme 21 launched by Gujarat. Recently, Gujarat CM Vijay Rupani launched Agriculture Diversify Scheme 21. Okay. Who has tops in inaugural list of Edelgive Hurun Philanthropist of the Century? So, Jamshedji Tata top in the Philanthropist of Century. Okay. फिलेंथ्रोपिस्ट में होता है कि सबसे ज़्यादा किसने दान किया है। ओके, दान का मतलब है किसी को डोनेट करना, लाइक। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच टीम हैज़ क्राउंड फर्स्ट ICC वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैम्पियनशिप टाइटल? सो दिस इज क्राउंड बाय न्यूजीलैंड. न्यूजीलैंड डिफीटेड इंडिया इन फाइनल मैच ऑफ दिस मैच हेल्ड इन साउथहैम्पटन इन इंग्लैंड. ओके, who has been roped in as brand ambassador of OnePlus wearables? So Jasprit Bumrah roped as brand ambassador of OnePlus. Okay. Moody's has projected India growth forecast for 21. So this is 9.6% according to Moody's. India's GDP growth for 21. Okay. SBI General Insurance has entered into bank insurance tie-up with which bank? So SBI General Insurance with tie-up with IDFC First Bank for bank insurance. Okay. Next, who has been appointed as the director of NIMHANS for 5 years? So Pratibha Murthy appointed director of NIMHANS. Okay. चलिए अगला क्वेश्चन. Ministry of Finance allowed to housing finance companies with asset size of over how much to recover the dues using SARFAESI law. SARFAESI law is a law you can allow means you can assert your size from loan waiver. Okay, so this is 100 crore. सरफेसी लॉ वो है जिसमें आपने किसी को लोन दिया है तो आप इसके तहत उस पर लीगल एक्शन लेके आप अपना लोन वसूल सकते हैं. ओके, सो अभी ये साइज़ को सुपर था और अब इसको 100 करोड़ तक वालों को भी अलाउ कर दिया गया है. अगला क्वेश्चन. विच मिनिस्ट्री हैज़ लॉन्च जान है तो जहान है अवेयरनेस कैंपेन ऑन कोरोना वैक्सीनेशन फॉर रूरल एंड रिमोट एरियाज. सो दिस इज़ मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ मिनॉरिटी मिनिस्ट्री ने ये अभी कैंपेन अवेयरनेस लॉन्च किया है. नेक्स्ट, नेम द फ्लाइंग ऑफिसर हु हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट वुमेन फ्रॉम जम्मू एंड कश्मीर टू बी एज अ फाइटर पायलट इन द इंडियन एयरफोर्स. सो माविया सुडान, फर्स्ट वुमेन फ्रॉम जम्मू एंड कश्मीर to be as fighter pilot in Indian Air Force. Okay. Next, who awarded the prestigious Central European University Open Society Prize for 2021? So KK Salja awarded prestigious Central European University Open Society Prize. Okay. Next, Bharti Airtel with which company partner for implementing 5G network solution for India? So Tata Group. Next, market regulator SEBI has reconstituted its 4-member takeover panel. Who is chairman of the panel? So N.K. Shori, head of the panel. Okay. Next, name the app which unveiled by Prime Minister Modi on 7th International Yoga Day. So M Yoga app launched by Prime Minister on 7th International Yoga Day. So International Yoga Day every year celebrated on 21st June, and this year's theme of yoga is yoga for well-being. Okay, yoga for well-being, important for exam. India with which country conducted naval exercise in Indian Ocean region for free and open Indo-Pacific? So India and Japan conducted naval exercise in Indian Ocean. Name the Indo-American chemist who has been honored with prestigious European Inventor Award. So Sumita Mitra awarded Indo-American chemist prestigious European Inventor Award 2021. Okay. Next, which state launched Mukhyamantri Udyami Yojana? So Bihar recently launched this scheme for all women and youth. Okay. Which city name most livable city of India in the Easy of Living Index? So Bangalore is best livable city in the India according to government source. What is the India's rank in Sustainable Development Report? So 120 rank of India in Sustainable Development Report 2021. National Skill Development Corporation launched Digital Skill Champions program to train youth for employment with which company? So NSDC launched डिजिटल स्किल चैम्पियन प्रोग्राम टू ट्रेन यूथ विद व्हाट्सएप. ओके. नेक्स्ट, who launched technology platform EPGS? So EPGS technology launched by LIC. LIC stand for Life Insurance Corporation of India. Okay, next. Center release full list of Smart City Award 2020 winners. So which state of that is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh top in Smart City Award 2020. India's first indigenous aircraft carrier to be commissioned in which year? That is 2022. भारत का पहला स्वदेशी एयरक्राफ्ट कैरियर 2022 में कमीशन किया जाएगा. सो जून 4 वीक के करेंट जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है उनको मैंने इस वीडियो में कवर कर लिया है. ओके. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आ रहा है तो आप इसको लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. ओके. तो चलिए अब इस वीडियो को यहाँ पर एंड करते हैं. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस. हैव एन ऑसम डे.